What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Cool Gamer here. You can see in my hand some slime that I have that one of my friends gave me, because I thought she was gonna make me pay her $14 for 2 medium slimes. I just mixed it up so you can see it's so big. Like right now, you can search out wide. Let me go farther so you can see how wide it can go. Like, I don't know how wide it can go. And it's like so tall, like it can become bigger than me. Oh my gosh, this is fun. I just got it today. So I don't know, this is my first time making a slime video. I never probably not done a YouTube video like 3 weeks or 1 month. I have no clue, because our charger of our tablet was not working, so I got a new YouTube channel. Got 3 YouTube channels, but one on my iPhone 7. My iPhone 7 has something bad. I've been broke. And on my other account, it's a phone. It's the same. It comes from the same like this one. This tablet. It's pretty cool. My channel is called. My other channel is called Cool Gamer Video Maker 2. You can check out one of my videos on my my other channel. So this is the one that almost my friend likes, because Nightmare King Jr. subscribed to me. Tyson, Cameron, I don't know, Jade. They come into my school, but Tyson is on a different class. He has a YouTube channel. Check out his YouTube channel. His YouTube channel name is Tyson Shane. It's Tyson SHIN. I don't know, guys. If you guys check out his channel and check out Nightmare King Jr.'s. That's Dylan's. And you can check out Jade's. I don't know her YouTube name, but right now I'm going to search it. So like and subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you subscribe. And I might give away slime. So, bye.